Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my pink Sud Scrub.
So I'm in love with this shower scrubber. This is the best one I have ever tried. It has these thick silicone fins. So this doesn't feel flimsy, it doesn't feel cheap at all. When you're actually using it in the shower, it's not only a scrubber, but it also feels like a massage. It has these little dots on each of the fins that really help with circulation, exfoliation, getting that glow. You have this strap on the back to hold it onto your hand. It also has another smaller strap where you can put your middle finger so that it doesn't slip. And also, if you have a smaller hand, this really comes in handy. So when you want to put your soap in, you just put it around the fins. You don't put it in the circle in the middle. So you can use liquid soap or you can use bar soap. This makes the soap last a long time since it's not absorbing it. Another feature that makes this Sud Scrub stand out is that it's actually made with antimicrobial silver. I have been using this for a while and there is no funky smell. It looks brand new just like the day I received it, and it feels fresh and clean every time I use it. So I highly recommend this. It is the best scrub I have used in the shower. You cannot go wrong with this.
And that's my point of view.